Hi, I'm Brian, the General Manager with Gator Metal Roofing. Homeowners may notice with an asphalt roof after a storm, there'll be shingles in their yard that have blown off. Then it's time to start looking for a new roof. One of the major reasons you should go for metal is the value of the product that you're getting. It's going to last way longer than your asphalt roof. It's going to be more durable than an asphalt roof, and it's going to look way better. While our standing seam metal roofing is going to be even more durable, it's going to last. People see these at the coast, they see them in the mountains in high-end areas where they have a lot of wind, a lot of rain, a lot of storms that come through. It's more durable, as well as you don't have the exposed fasteners. Our starter program allows us to install on areas of your roof if you cannot do the whole house. We can install on accent pieces such as front porches, garages, or even sheds. At Gator Metal Roofing, we have over 18 fade-proof colors with smart paint technology that makes your home more energy efficient and boosts curb appeal. Our metal roofing will help maintain the temperature of your house, keeping it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Getting your brand new Gator Metal roof is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Contact Gator Metal Roofing, free in-home consultation, install and enjoy.